Hello guys, this is Kunal and today I will be sharing some productivity tips with you along with some life examples. Now we often say that we don't get time to study. Some students do find this difficulty that they are overburdened with studies at times of exams. Now why is that? Now some take it very easily, some get good marks, some get bad. I am a firm believer of the fact that no one is born with an awesome brain or like something like weak brain. The brain is the same for all. Is the only the amount of exercise that we are able to do determines what quality of brain we have or what about good marks. Some daily practices can change that whole result, right? So we'll see with an example. So let's see. See, what you can see in my hand is a pen, right? Is a pen. Now this pen is without a cap, and this is the pointed end, and this is the non-pointed end. Okay? So what happens if I hold this pen in my hands, just like this, one finger near the pointed end and the other finger over here? What happens? There are two conditions. At this end, I'm able to feel the pain. Now, once I press it more, I am able to feel the pain. I'm pressing both the ends with the same load, but I'm not feeling the pain at this end. But I'm feeling the pain at this end. If we talk in particular physics language, this is called as pressure. I'm applying force at both the ends, but because the area is less, I'm experiencing more pressure and more pain. But here the area is more, lot more in compared to this area. So here I'm experiencing less pressure, right? So how this is related, this concept of pressure is related to studies. Yes, it is totally related. Now what if I consider the force to be the syllabus, right? Syllabus. And this is a student who has started studying very recently, and this is a condition of a student who was studying not long period of time, much before the exams had started. So what happens here? The same amount of syllabus, that is the same force is applied to this student, this finger, in a short span of time. Now this person, this student, has to finish his syllabus or her syllabus in a limited period of time. But this person or this student has covered it over a long period of time. So this student faces less pressure as compared to this student, right? The pointed end, more pressure, more pain. Why to take more pain if we can do the same work in less pain? If we distribute our work, if we study one chapter in 2 days, 3 days from the start, if something is taught in school, if we come and replicate the same work at home, our work will get easier. It will. And what if we concentrate wholeheartedly in school? Right? So the topics will be covered at that time only. So the pressure that you're feeling will be less. This is a perfect analogy to explain the pressure that you feel. If you are able to understand this, then you are able to understand your situation. This person will obviously score more marks because he has completed the same syllabus for a long period of time, right? So he will have less pain. He would revise the things days before exams. But the person who is finishing at the last moment would have a kind of fear in him or her that whether he would forget things, what would happen. But this person has practiced the questions, has done revisions, so obviously you get more marks. You're doing the same amount of work, you're finishing the same syllabus, but in a short span of time, and that's not healthy. Even you will be forgetting the things after 1 or 2 days because it's gone into your temporary memory, not in the permanent. For taking it into permanent memory, you need to spend longer times with it. Yes, by longer time, I don't mean studying 22 hours in a day. Never. It is studying uniformly, equal hours in, say, somewhat, if their exam is about 2 to 3 months, you start your preparations early. You will get benefited from it. I hope this would give you a clear insight of what you should do. So, do like, share, and subscribe if you find something useful. Thank you.